Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Sunday reset. This morning we decided not to go to church, so I spent some time reading my Bible. I feel like on the mornings that I wake up and I read my Bible right away, I have a way better day. I'm more productive, I'm more positive. It just puts me in a great mood. At the beginning of the year, our pastor gave us a card that shows us what we have to read every single day, and by the end of the year we will have read the entire Bible. This is what I'm showing you guys right now, and I absolutely love it. So this is what my house first looked like before I started to clean. It was looking pretty bad. I mean, it's looked worse, but this morning I had a lot that I had to get done.
Looking back on how I used to be.
I usually start out in the kitchen or living room, but today I wanted to tackle our master bedroom. It has been getting pretty dirty in there. We do have 7 mini schnauzers, so this room is never truly clean with them. Also, our puppies threw up last night, so I had a mess that I had to clean up. So I wanted to make sure I got that done before moving on to the rest of the house. We have an air purifier in this bedroom, but I feel like it's a little too small. I think I need to get the same one that I have in the living room because we have a lot of dust in this room. We do leave the windows open during the day on cold days, and we do have 7 mini schnauzers, like I said. So I feel like with the combination of the windows being open and our dogs, this room gets very dusty. But I feel like if I had the big purifier like we do in the living room, I feel like that would really help on cutting down some of the dust in this room.
I'm so tired of you. Sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them.
The filter is so bad, and I haven't ordered another one, so I'm going to actually wash that one and let it dry, and then hopefully it will still work until I get the new one in the mail. I didn't film everything while I was cleaning our room, but I did wash down all of the walls and the baseboards because there was a lot of dust.
Oh, I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Baby, I don't have to know your.
No matter how many loads of laundry I do a day, there is always more to do. I need to come up with a system so then I'm not tackling laundry every day, and instead I'm just keeping up with it, because I will be doing laundry all night and I will still have laundry tomorrow to do.
It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that. And I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do. Cause right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move
Like I said, the puppies did throw up last night, so I knew that I was going to have to carpet shampoo today, and I really did not want to. Our carpet is horrible. We are looking at replacing it and putting some hardwood floors in because having puppies and dogs, it's too hard with carpet. But look at how dirty the carpet was. And after I carpet shampooed it, look at how clean it got. I want to remove everything out of our bedroom and carpet shampoo the entire floor, but I know that that would take so long and I just don't have the time to do it right now. But it was very satisfying carpet shampooing our carpet in the master because of how clean it was coming. But it was also very disgusting knowing that our carpet was that bad. I don't know if I'm getting sick or if I have allergies, but my throat has been bothering me lately and my head has been just killing me. So if I'm not making sense, I do apologize. After I got done in our bedroom, I moved over to our bathroom and I just did some tidying up, and then I cleaned the toilet and mopped the floor. I'm sorry, I can't even speak today. There is a big chunk of sheetrock. Yeah, that's what you call it. A big piece of sheetrock missing because my husband thought it was that we were having water damage and we didn't. It was a whole mistake. But we are planning on remodeling our bathroom, and pretty much every room in our house is going to get remodeled at one point or another. I will link everything that I'm using in today's video in the description bar down below, just in case you guys want to purchase anything.
I'ma buy plane ticket, run away too late for a minute. There will be no limits. Ooh. I'm looking for a place where I can feel alive, where I can let you go.
I don't wear gloves when I'm cleaning our bathroom, but I do wash my hands a couple of times. I just did not show it in this video. After I got done with our master bathroom, I went back to laundry because, like I said, there's always laundry to do.
Plane ticket, plane ticket, plane ticket. A whole new start. I'm gonna get away from it all. A whole new start. I'm gonna get away from it all. I'ma buy a plane ticket, run away for a minute. There will be no limits. I'm looking for a place where I can feel alive, where I can let you go and just be for a while. I got you on my mind, I ain't gonna die. No, I'm about I hope I met somebody who's better than you, that likes me for the things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about plane ticket, plane ticket, plane ticket.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout, on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement.
my daughter wakes up and says that she wants to make egg in the hole, and then she burnt it because she had the heat up too high. So then she had to make another one, and I have to clean around her. I feel like this is part of being a parent. You just clean around your kids, your animals, your husband, because you just want to get the job done and you don't want to wait for them. I was trying to work with Bella on sitting. She cannot sit, or she does not sit for me. All the other dogs will sit except for Bella. I think it's because she knows she's the princess of the family and she doesn't have to do what she doesn't want to. I wasn't able to do a lot in the living room because my husband was watching NASCAR. So I just picked up the dog toys, swept and mopped, and then that was pretty much it.
I ain't staying in the background, no, 'cause I don't need your worry. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go.
These birthday balloons and the birthday banner has been up pretty much all summer long. My son did not want me to take them down, but since summer is almost over, I decided I would finally throw them away.
Aching state of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction, oh, I give in to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction, oh, I can feel I can feel you burning.
After I got done mopping, I took the garbage out and then I was done for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one.
And even if the sky